Hello YouTube, and I'm here to show you how to get/create resource packs. First off, I'm gonna have the links in the description, but before you to download this, it's called the default resource pack.zip, and also download this program to help create texture called paint.net. This is free, and it's a basic paint program, but it has layers and all this stuff and transparency, which is going to be good for creating your textures. Photoshop is a little too excessive for me. I used to use Photoshop, but I don't anymore. You don't need it, but this is perfect. This is a guide line for your resource pack folder you're going to make. Just in case you get a little confused or lost, this will help you. But I would highly recommend that. So just in case this resource pack thing is a little too much for you to handle, you got this here. So first thing, you're going to want to get into your resource pack folder to start creating it. You're going to want to do Windows, which is the Windows button and R. You can quit. That's a shortcut to pick up run. But Windows 8, just for Windows 8 users, not too many people out there, but it's to help you guys. Just type in search run and click the run program. And what you're going to want to do is type in %appdata%. When you do that, click OK. Go to the .minecraft folder. You want to, here's the texture packs. This is the old thing. Resource packs right here. You want to go to that. And for this sake, we're going to do this. We're going to do a new folder. Call it blah blah blah. I'm not going to use test because that's what everyone does for their tutorials. Oh shit. Fuck me. There we go. Alright. So go into the blah 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 folder, or whatever you named it. You want to go create new folder. In there, type in assets. That's important, and you're also going to do a new text document. And you want to open that up. And right here, I already have this. This is actually from the default resource pack guideline. It has the text in there that you need. And in the notepad document, what you're going to do is you're going to copy and paste the text from that pack.meta file. So copy and paste this text, and then what you're going to do is, hold on, what you're going to do is you're going to want to file, save as pack.mcmeta. And where it says save as type text document, you're going to want to take that off and put it to all files, because if you do save as text document, it'll show up like this, pack.mcmeta.txt. You do not want that .text because that'll just make it an unusable, unworking document. So save as all files and click save. Now we can exit out of these. So now it'll show up as a notepad document and says type mcmeta file, and delete this. You don't need this, so I'm going to get rid of that. And then in the assets folder, you're going to go in and create another new folder and call it Minecraft. And then after you create that, go into that, and this is where the guideline also comes in again. You're going to definitely want to open this up. Let's see, go into the assets, Minecraft. So this is what will be in your Minecraft folder, these things right here. And the good thing about this guidelines is it comes with all the textures already in there. So I highly recommend you copy, well, in this case I'm going to have to so copy and paste, and it's going to extract all the files and put it in the Minecraft folder you copy and pasted to, which is your texture resource pack folder. So this will be all of that. So now you can exit out of the guideline thing if you don't need that anymore. So here is all. Let's take a look. Let's put this in big screen. I got a huge monitor, so let's make use of it. Let's see. So you got your font folder here, icons for the game. this is I'm not familiar with this. I've never really toggled with this, but I'm assuming this is what it is when it comes up. There'll be your game icon. You language files is your sound and lang files that people like to mess with. Music. This is the music files. For inside the game, you got the records. This is cool because what people will do is they'll put in, they'll go to Audacity and get a famous song or something they like, and they will save it as an OGG file, and then overwrite one of these records. So when you put that record in, it'll play that file. I'm not sure how to exactly save it as an OGG file. I'm just assuming you put .ogg and overwrite one of these, but you can do that. You can change the sounds of all the mobs and what they make for sounds. Text you can change. Textures. This is the one I'm familiar with the most. This is what I use. Here's all your text, or your textures. My bad. Let's see. You got all the new update stuff. You got the coal block. You got daylight sensor. You got cobblestone, anvil. You can edit all this stuff. Let's do a demonstration of the paint.net program. We're going to show you what's common. Dirt. People like to use dirt a lot. So right click on the file you want to edit the texture of. Open with paint.net. Don't do paint because paint doesn't have the transparency function that paint.net does, and that'll make your Minecraft textures look like complete shit. So go to paint.net. Okay, and this is very far out, so control plus 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 plus. One more plus. So now, let's see, for instance, I'm going to draw. I'm only familiar with the pencil tool. This is how I use to edit the pixels here. So let's just do white, and we're going to draw a nice smiley face. Yeah, that's the shit right there. Look at that beautiful smiley face. Perfect. Alright. So then when you're done editing your texture, go to File, Save. Don't save as a new file. You want to save as the exact file so it overwrites it. Bit depth, auto detect, leave that on so it doesn't change like the pixel ratio or anything. Click OK when you're done, and it'll save it. So you can X out of that. So it even shows up here. You're in the little image, your edit you made to your thing. So now that we're done that, we can exit out of the texture pack. Say you're done your texture. Just edit, exit out, open Minecraft, and the Minecraft launcher will come up. Play. Let's increase the size of that. So here we go. Now you go to your options, resource packs, and you see if you did it right, it should auto detect blah blah blah. That's the texture pack we were working in. That's the one I'm currently working on, the mellow pack, the more slim version of the game. Not that I need it, but whatever. So blah blah blah. Click done after you selected it. Now go to done there, and single player, let's load Snake's Land. That is my creative world. Alright, well you can already see in the distance over here that my textures are already edited. We're just gonna and here, right here, it's also edited. Dot texture. So here you go. So now you got all the little white stuff on each side of that dirt. Perfect. So it works. So that means we did it correctly, and you can go back in and edit any texture you need. That's that. So thank you for watching this tutorial, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment. I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. Thank you.